Hey y'all, we're back today with another eBay sale. This here is some RPC valve cover grommets, part number R9358. Going to a Jennifer C out of Seminole, Texas. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of our sticker. This is to our main YouTube channel. If you would like, share, and subscribe, we do appreciate it. We get this sent out to you so you can get your project back underway. We appreciate the order. We'll get this in the mail to you tomorrow, and hopefully you'll have it by possibly next week sometime. Well, there you go, Miss Jennifer. We do appreciate your order. Thanks for doing business with you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Helps the channel grow, and you purchasing this also helps the channel grow, so we do appreciate your business. Catch you on the next one.